In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your video for Instagram and all other social media platforms using Capwing. Let's go ahead and get started right now. Go to capwing.com. If you do not have a Capwing account, just go ahead and create an account. You're going to want to have an account so that you can save your work into your account. And what's great about Capwing is that it's free, and pretty much all of the editing that I do for my social media is completely free, which is what's awesome about Capwing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And you can see right here, here's some of my saved previous videos. And then we're going to go to products. What you can see here under products is everything that you can do within Capwing, which is amazing. Lots and lots of easy ways to edit your videos. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Resize Video, and you can upload or use to paste a URL. I'm going to go ahead and choose upload. The analyst is someone very much. And you can see right here, I'm choosing to resize with Instagram. You could do it for story, YouTube, and all of these other options right here. And I'm going to go ahead and select create. This will just take a few seconds to create. The analyst is someone there it is. Now that it's done, you have several options. You could go ahead and download, or you could go ahead and open in Studio. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to download because I'm going to want to add subtitles. If you want to learn how to add subtitles, go ahead and watch my other video on how to add subtitles and captions in Capwing. Ladies, if you want to learn one of the most powerful tools I've used that has helped me earn over $10 million in high-ticket sales, and it has enabled me to create a 7-figure mortgage business, then hurry up and come and meet me in my free The Awake Woman Get Paid workshop right now. To access the workshop, click on the link on this video description or go straight to my site. See you there.